Welcome friends back to Katie's Camp Kitchen. Today we're going to make some mini brownies off-grid using a portable power station and a mini bundt cake maker. These use very little energy. At the end of the very short video, I will share the recipe as well as the energy and power numbers. Looking out my back kitchen window, you can see the beautiful colors of fall. It's also canning season here. While I'm waiting for my other canner to cool down, I thought I would experiment with these brownies for the upcoming gathering season. Today I'll be showing you the experiment that I did with the EcoFlow River 2 Pro and the Dash Mini Bundt Maker. I did also make these with the Blue Eddy EB3A and the Dash Mini Pie Maker using 3 tablespoons of mix in each one. They had comparable results and times. The preheat light just went out. I went ahead and sprayed the bundt cake maker with this oil spray. 12 watt hours to preheat, 2 minutes. Now let's get some of this mix into the maker. This is a 2 tablespoon scoop, the same as a coffee scoop. I'm using this because it's easier when I'm making a video. I filled this up 1.5 times, and I'm just going to take my spatula and spread it out a little bit. I'm going to add some nuts on top. This is a combination of pecans and English walnuts. And close it up. Let's check it now. We're at 18 watt hours. You can see it still needs quite a bit. So we'll go 2 more minutes. Check it at 8 minutes, which is 4 minutes cook time, 22 watt hours. The toothpick comes out clean on this one. Just gonna see what the temperature is. 213, but still hot. That turned out very, very nice. I'll go ahead and preheat this again. And we'll put all the times in the power and energy in a table. That one's not quite done, but it's getting really close. Once they start puffing up like this. If you're enjoying this video, please give us a like and consider subscribing. Thank you so very much. Let's see how we're doing. It's been 4 minutes for this one. 90 watt hours total for all 6 of these. I could have actually filled twice as much in the cavity here, but I find that that might be just a little bit too big, especially for a party. This one is walnut, pecan, and dried cranberry. These are a couple of brownies that I made in the mini pie maker with the Blue Eddy EB3A. They have comparable energy and time. Here's the power and energy usage data from the EcoFlow River 2 Pro and Dash Mini Bundt Maker combination. Total energy was 90 watt hours. That's incredibly low. The inverter used 340 watts of power. As you may have noticed during the video, the first brownie preheat time is always a bit longer because the maker's cold. On average, the maker preheated for 3 to 4 minutes and cooked for 4 to 5 minutes for each brownie. The average energy used during preheat was 4.5 watt hours, and to cook it was 9.5 watt hours. Cooking time total for all 6 brownies was 50 minutes and 90 watt hours. I like to make these brownies when I'm already in the kitchen doing other things. It's a great multitasking activity. Here's the recipe for the brownies. I used Duncan Hines Fudgy Brownie mix. This is actually the #1 brownie mix per America's Test Kitchen blind tasting video a few years ago. In this recipe, I've included some additional toppings you may want to try. And in case you're wondering, these brownies do freeze very well. In the description box of the video and the first pinned comment, I will list out the recipe for these brownies, as well as affiliate links for the Bundt maker so that you can more easily find it, as well as the power stations I used. I've also included some recipes from the Mini Bundt Maker's little recipe book that's included. It even has some keto cake recipes in case you're interested in those. It's a very versatile little cooking device. As always, thanks so very much for joining us here at Katie's Camp Kitchen. Hope you're doing well, and we'll see you around the campfire very soon. Here are some additional videos on low power cooking you may want to watch. Thank you so very much.